Insert new card in ATM. It will show the screen. From this screen you will have to select green pin option, then select generate OTP, then wait. Then it will send SMS to your registered mobile number. You will have to enter that pin which you have received in your SMS. And select confirm. Then again wait for transaction to complete. Then you will have to enter your new ATM pin. Then you will have to re-enter your new ATM pin. Then wait for some time. Then it will give you confirmation receipt and it will indicate on screen your pin is changed successfully. Then you can take out your new ATM card. And if you want, you can recheck your new ATM pin by again inserting the card and selecting your language and entering your new ATM pin. Now I don't want to do any transaction, therefore I will cancel it and I will take out my ATM card.